Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here's the latest iPhone has a feature to find your iPhone when offline. Just enable this setting and locate your device through another device. Then, follow the steps performed on the screen. Go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID, and tap on Find My Settings. Enable the Find My Network setting. It lets you locate your iPhone offline, in power reserve mode, and after power off. If you disable the Find My Network setting, you will not be able to find your devices when it is powered off or not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular network. Also, enable Send Last Location. Doing this will send the location of your device to Apple when the battery is low. Now, we have two ways to find your iPhone, even offline. The first way is to open the Find My app on Apple devices, tap the Devices tab, and select your iPhone device. It will show the location of your iPhone, and it will help your friends and family to know where you are. And the second way is to sign into the iCloud website with your Apple ID and password. Click on the Find My app icon, and tap on All Devices. It will show all devices' names. So here I am, selecting my iPhone device. It shows the last location of my iPhone device is displayed on the screen. That's it. So it is simple to detect the location of your iPhone, even if it's offline or powered off. Like this $1,000 tip. Also follow and subscribe for more information.